Happy Thursday, guys! And I'm sorry it's a week late, but I was unwell last week, so couldn't do it. But here's the second episode of. That's right, guys, you're welcome back to some Magical Thursdays. Now, as I said in the pre title video, that I wasn't well enough to do this last week. I was full of cold and I actually felt unwell from it. But I'm back and I'm ready to go. So, how have you guys been since, well, last week? So I have still been posting videos. I just wanted to lay low with these type of videos. So, I wasn't completely disappearing for a week. But I'm going to announce now that I've got another new idea for a show. I don't know what type of show I want it to be yet, so you'll have to wait and see. Pardon me. I'm actually still thinking about that. And I do appreciate those of you who have taken the time to look at the channel and subscribe. All 8 of you so far. I know a lot of you would have been fans of my old channel. We are working on getting that back, don't worry. If it comes back, and when and if it comes back, it'll be used for archive stuff. So you'll still be able to watch the videos. And I'll still be posting videos to that channel when I have them ready to go for it. So I just wanted to let you know. We are working on getting that back. But I have got actually a couple of new animated series for this channel to announce. When I say a couple, I actually mean a few. Into the Barretverse, the Stratton Saga, and well, the Phase 2 counterpart to Belle the Naughty Daughter. Although, actually, now that I think about it, yes, I will be starting to re-upload the Marilyn's British Story episodes. No, hang on. I might not, actually. I need to go back and double check and see if my old channel name's on any of the earlier episodes. However, if you want to see episodes of British Marilyn on the channel, she will be appearing in the Midhampton Chronicles. So you won't be without her. Okay. And now to the third episode of the Trapdoor quiz. Quiz show. That will be happening. And I'm going to start reposting title cards with the questions on them. And you'll be starting to hear them getting read. Anyway, I think, for the time being, that will be it for this episode. I hope to do another one of these next week. As you now know, that's not guaranteed. So, if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. And until the next video, thanks for watching and have a magical time.